In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a loan payment via Capital One. Whether you're using their website or mobile app, the process is straightforward and convenient. It's important to know how to do this efficiently, so let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Capital One account. You can do this either online through their website or by using the Capital One mobile app. If you haven't already, you'll need your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see all your accounts and manage them easily. Next, from your account dashboard, you'll want to select your loan account. This could be for an auto loan, personal loan, or any other type of loan you have with Capital One. Once you click on your loan account, you'll be taken to a detailed view where you can see all the pertinent information related to your loan. Now, navigate to the payment section. This is where the magic happens. Look for an option that says make a payment and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can input your payment details. Here, you'll need to enter the payment amount. Make sure you're entering the correct amount to avoid any discrepancies. It's always a good idea to double check this information. Next, choose the bank account or payment method you wish to use. Capital One typically allows you to link multiple bank accounts or even use a debit card for payments, so select the one that's most convenient for you. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review all the details. This includes your payment amount and the bank account or payment method you've chosen. It's crucial to ensure everything is accurate to avoid any issues or delays with your payment. Once you're confident everything looks correct, go ahead and click Submit to complete your payment. You should receive a confirmation shortly after, either through email or directly in the app, indicating that your payment is being processed. And that's it. And that's how you make a loan payment via Capital One. It's a simple and efficient process once you know the steps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.